What's up everyone, and welcome to Icanics. My name is Jay and it's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we take a look at anything related to finance with a strong focus on investing. So if that sounds like something you want to be a part of, then please consider subscribing and liking this video to help me on my quest to befriend the big, bad YouTube algorithm. What's up everyone, and welcome back to Icanics. Today we're going to be talking about a new disruptive cannabis stock that I believe has great potential to take advantage of what I believe to be one of the fastest growing industries in the market. Before we get into it, if you want to grow your portfolio exponentially, be sure to check out our Smart Money Squad Patreon. There are various tiers for your goals and budget. You'll get my buy and sell alerts instantly, my weekly watch list and entry points every Sunday, as well as updates throughout the week when I see something interesting in the market, and access to the private Discord. The link for that is in the description below. The link to the free Discord is also there. And now we're also quite active on Twitter, so hit us up with a follow there at RealJaconomics. So make that thumbs up turn blue and subscribe if you're new. It really does help the channel grow. And now without further ado, let's get into the video. 2020 was the biggest year yet for the cannabis industry. As more states begin to legalize recreational MJ, sales are expected to keep rising for the foreseeable future. In 2020, cannabis sales in the US reached an all-time high of $15.8 billion and were estimated to account for 80% of worldwide sales. California is a big reason for the rising US numbers. With a population of 40 million people, they accounted for over $4 billion in sales, with that number expected to double by 2022. And this is where Icanic Brands comes in, ticker symbol ICAN on the CSE and ticker symbol ICNAF on the OTC markets. Icanic Brands is a leading cannabis manufacturer based in California and Nevada. California currently has 620 cannabis shops, and Icanic has their product in more than 50% of stores. Additionally, they have acquired equipment and land in Las Vegas, Nevada, and will start growing, producing, and selling products there in 2021. Now, the key to accomplishing these goals lies within their vertical integration and their groundbreaking technology. Now, in terms of vertical integration, CEO Brandon Koo believes that to succeed in the cannabis industry, they must maximize their margins. Therefore, he has set the goal for Icanic to consistently achieve 50% profit margins. By controlling everything from cultivation to manufacturing, it allows for increased margins, better production planning, and ability to supply and power additional SKUs, house brands, and acquisitions. Their vertical integration also allows them to maximize brand value and integrity by taking less sophisticated third parties out of the equation. Pre-roll manufacturing has had numerous problems in the past and has led to its slow introduction to market. The labor associated with manually rolling products is too expensive, and past automation attempts fail to consistently roll various strands of cannabis. Icanic has changed this with the successful introduction of the proprietary pre-roll manufacturing machines. The first machine was introduced in 2020 with tremendous success. Icanic Brands is looking forward to implementing 2 more automated machines in 2021, one in California and one in Las Vegas. These machines will have an instant impact on both revenue and profit margin. Now, pre-rolls. Well, pre-rolls, they're a key product for Icanic, with sales nearly doubling during the shutdowns. The CEO believes that demand for pre-rolls will continue to rise as people want a consistent and convenient product. He compares it to cigarettes and says that no one likes to roll their own cigarettes. They prefer the consistent product they buy over the counter. Their current pre-roll portfolio includes Taylor's and the Ganja Gold product line. In 2020, Ganja Gold topped LeafLink's list of fastest growing pre-rolls in the nation. In the past few months, Icanic has acquired DeCrown Enterprises and THC Engineering. DeCrown is a California-based white label manufacturer with the capacity to manufacture over 118,000 pre-rolls per day and are estimated to bring $1 million in revenue in 2021. THC engineering will assist in producing new, innovative technology and continue to develop their machine automation for pre-rolls. Now, in terms of sales, Icanic has had a very impressive 78% increase in revenue in 2020 versus 2019. This success is attributed to their automation, brand development of Ganja Gold, and the company's further expansion into Nevada. Even though they had a great 2020, they have no plans to slow down anytime soon, and I don't think they will. As you can see from their quarterly sales and 2021 estimates, they expect sales to skyrocket once their 2 new automated manufacturing systems are installed. Now, of course, there are risks to this investment just like any other investment. One of the main risks is the legalization, right, of MJ, because that might take longer than expected. And if so, they would be unable to scale their product across the US as quickly and efficiently as they want to, right? Another one is the trend that, MJ is being consumed in a healthier manner, such as edibles or vaporizing rather than smoking. And so, these are just two of the risks that you would take on by making an investment in Icanic today. Now, another positive thing about Icanic is that they have a good amount of cash on their balance sheet, and they have currently no debt. Now, it's not profitable, but they are making significant strides towards being profitable by significantly decreasing the cost of their operations up to 41% through automation and vertical integration. The growth Icanic Brands has seen over the past year has been an amazing story. They are currently trading at a 13x price to sales ratio. However, their 2021 estimates have them trading at a very attractive 3x price to sales ratio. If Icanic hits their sales numbers while also meeting the 50% gross margin target, Icanic will be a company that you will not want to miss on in this space. As a young and quickly growing company, they would be a great addition to any portfolio looking to invest in the MJ space, in my opinion. I personally do not own Icanic shares in my portfolio as of right now, but it's something that I'm really looking into after doing a deep dive into their company. Now, in terms of the stock today, it's trading at 51 cents Canadian and 40 cents US. Now, this is far off from their 52-week highs. In terms of the Canadian amount, it was 82 cents, and the US is 65 cents. And so this offers more than 50% upside from their all-time highs. And so an entry here could be an attractive one. Now, I know a lot of you enjoy seeing the CEO interviews that I have, and I enjoy doing them. So if you guys want to see me reach out to the CEO of Icanic Brands and get him on the show, then leave a comment below. So that wraps it up for today's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed the video in that it gave you a good insight into why Icanic might be a company that you might want to look at. And guys, if this video brought you some value, then please hit that like button for me, as it really does help the channel a lot. And if you want more content like this, then don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell to be notified when any new video comes out. And of course, check out the Patreon if you want access to all of the perks like our awesome Discord and access to all of my stocks and plays in a timely fashion and much, much more. And until next time, take care and invest smart.